I got him.
What?
Alright.
Okay, so next to last thing you do is shut down the boat. Do that. First you turn off the shore, turn it off, and then you go down and you turn off
I can't really see anything.
all of these buttons.
Okay.
Turn them all off. And then the same down here. Turn them all to the off side.
Okay.
Alright, then you turn this to off. See?
Okay.
So you turn these two off. You go and turn everything here off. You've already turned this shore off. And I just turned it back on.
Okay.
Okay, then you,
But the shore's already off, so we can go unplug it.
yeah, you can go unplug now.
Okay.
And then the last thing to turn everything down is right here. These.
Just those two of these, nothing to mess with.
Nope. Just turn these to the off.
Okay.
And
Well, that's easy.
yeah, it is.